warm welcome to News in Flash column of 1st June 2021. It is presented to you by Lawseco and I am Ankita Parida here. Now let's proceed with this session. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar virtually launched the Horticulture Cluster Development Program. This program will address all major issues related to Indian horticulture sector including pre-production, production, post-harvest management, logistics, marketing and branding. This program has been launched in pilot phase and is to be implemented in 12 clusters covering 11 states and union territories. This program will benefit about 10 lakh farmers and is expected to attract an investment of 10,000 crore when implemented in 53 clusters. IIT Ropar develops AmbiTag, India's first indigenous temperature data logger for cold chain management. Indian Institute of Technology Ropar, Punjab has developed first of its kind IoT device AmbiTag that records real-time ambient temperature during the transportation of perishable products, vaccines and even body organs and blood. It records temperature and further helps to know whether that particular item transported from anywhere in the world is still usable or perished because of temperature variation. This information is particularly critical for vaccines including COVID-19 vaccine, organ and blood transportation. Environment-friendly solution disinfection system Vajra Kavach. A product named Vajra Kavach removes the viral particles from equipment used by our corona warriors. The disinfection system developed by Mumbai-based startup Indira Waters removes any possible traces of disease-causing SARS-CoV-2 virus from personal protective equipments, N95 masks, coats, gloves and gowns. It thus enables to reuse PPE kits and other materials used by healthcare workers. Vajra Kavach being launched by Ms. Pamela Satpathy, Commissioner of Greater Warangal Municipal Corporation, Government of Telangana in collaboration with Administrative Staff College of India and GWMC Office of Warangal, Telangana. Asian Boxing Championship. In the Asian Boxing Championship, Sanjit won gold medal, defeating Rio Olympic silver medalist in final in the 91 kg weight category. In the women's section, Pooja Rani in the 75 kg category clinched her second successive gold medal, while seasoned campaigner Mary Kom in the 51 kg category and Lalbutwa Sahi in the 64 kg and Anupama in the 81 kg grabbed silver medals. China allows couples to have 3 children after relaxing its one-child policy, which failed to bear result. China scrapped its decade-old one-child policy in 2016, replacing it with two-child limit, which has failed to lead it to a sustained upsurge in birth. Implementing the policy and its relevant supporting measures will help improve China's population structure, actively respond to aging population. The census of China's population says it has a population of 1.41 billion in 2020 and there was an increase of 72 million since the last census in 2010, reflecting a 5.38 growth in this period and a 0.53 annual growth rate. Forecasts say the population could peak in the next couple of years and most likely by 2025 when India will become the world's most populous country. So this was all for today. Thank you.